वेलकम टू माय वीडियो। और आज मैं बात करने वाला हूँ ग्रेट वाइट शार्क के बारे में। तो हम पहले अटैक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। ओनली 80 fatal great white sharks attacks have occurred since 1950। और फिर आगे आता है, sharks are cold-blooded fish, but they have unique property. They can use their warm blood, leaving the muscles to warm the body, coming into the muscle. Do you know the great white shark, despite its huge size, can reach speed up to 40 kilometers in short bursts? A great white shark has 1.8 ton of force, but it can prehistoric relative megalodon used up to 18.5 tons force. Then let's talk about shark's body part. First, it's dollar and fin. Second, dollar and fin. Then caudal fin. Then annual fin. And then caspers. They are only in male. Then comes pectoral fin. Then comes his 5 gills. Then his eyes, his jaws, his nostrils, his snout. Great whites are found near Colombia, South Carolina, continent, and other places. These places are marked in the map. Great white sharks are detected in Long Island Sound. As a great shark, it was tagged last year, been detecting in Long Island Sound. The first time is great white shark has been spotted in this area. Scientific name Calodocondyle, diet carnivore, size more than 20 feet, weight 2.5 tons or more. Confirmed unproven sharks attacked by states since 1837, Florida 828, Hawaii 162, California 124, South California 105, North California 67, TRX 44, Oregon 27, New Jersey, Goria 14, New York 12, Columbia 8, Virginia 5, Maryland 1, Rhode Island 1, Maine 1, Washington 2, Mississippi 2, Delaware 2. तो हे गाइस, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक ठोको, नहीं हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो और मेरे वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो। बाय गाइस।